How to block websites on Chrome. In today's video, we'll show you how to block websites on Chrome, whether you're trying to focus, protect your kids from inappropriate content, or just want to improve your browsing experience. These tips will help you stay in control. First, let's talk about blocking websites on your iPhone. Especially for Safari, the default browser, the easiest way is through your iPhone screen time settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't set up Screen Time yet, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then toggle it on. Now, select Web Content. Choose Limit Websites. Or you can also tap on this Unrestricted. Simply tap on Limit Contents. And you can simply type in the URL of the website you want to block and it will be added to the block list. From now on, you won't be able to access that website on Safari. Now let's look at how to block websites on Chrome for iPhone. Unfortunately, Chrome for iPhone doesn't have the same built-in options as Safari, but you can use the same screen time settings to block website across all browsers on your iPhone. Simply follow the same steps we just went through. For Safari, once you block a site under content restriction, it will be blocked on all browsers including Chrome. And that's it. You now know how to block websites on Chrome on your iPhone.